Amazing morning. My name is Stephen John Ardaleza. Isa po ako sa mga distributors dito sa IM Worldwide. And dati po akong engineering graduate. After 3 years of working sa isang manufacturing company, tapos tsaka naman ako ng call center. And ngayon po, doing this business full-time for 3 years. And ang maganda po dito is kumikita tayo weekly. Ito po, papakita ko po sa inyo yung income ko. Just recently, nung last week, no? So, if you go to reports, yan, makikita natin dyan, yung income natin noong September 15 until September 21. So, dito po pumapasok yung income natin. And if you check it, andito sa total gross commission natin, meron tayong 69,800. So, today po is our payout day. So, mag-i-encash po tayo ng income natin which will go straight to my bank this coming Friday. Yan, nakaka-excite lang. Ito po, yung pwede nating ma-withdraw. So, i-click po natin yan. Confirm transaction and automatic na yung makukuha natin by Friday. So, dito po sa business natin is pwede kang kumita ng tuloy-tuloy and every week pwede kang kumita using our online platform. So, thank you very much po and God bless us all.